Miss Lancaster had a box of 232 gel pens to give to 4 homerooms. If Miss Lancaster gives each homeroom the same number of gel pens, how many gel pens will each homeroom receive? Get started with our window pane here. Our main idea is how many gel pens will each homeroom receive? So we want to know gel pens each, I'll put HR for homeroom. Then our who and our what. Our who is Miss Lancaster, so Miss L, and our what is gel pens. And then we need our unit bar. Okay, so now let's go back and read the problem. Miss Lancaster had a box of 232 gel pens. Okay, 232 gel pens is our total. Remember, our total goes on top. So 232 gel pens to give to 4 homerooms. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. So homerooms would be our groups. If Miss Lancaster gives each homeroom the same number of gel pens, how many gel pens will each homeroom receive? So she starts out with 232, and she's going to give some to this class, some to this class, some to this class, and some to this class. So she's going to share them until she runs out of gel pens, and that is called division. Also, if we're looking for our each, we're going to be dividing, if you remember that little trick. So we have 232 divided by 4. Okay, the first thing we need to do is to make a T-chart of all of our times 4s. So I've got 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. And then 1, 2, 3, 4. So 0 times 4 is 4. 1 times 4, 0 times 4 is 0. 1 times 4 is 4. 2 times 4 is 8. 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40, 44, 48. Now remember, you need to have those lined up so that they're directly across from each other, or else if you get too messy, this won't help you at all. I've got to make sure that they're next to each other. Okay, so now, first thing I do is I'm going to cover up all the numbers except for the first one. And I'm going to ask myself, can I multiply 4 times anything to equal 2? No, because 1 times 4 is 4. That's too big. So I need to go over one more. Can I multiply anything times 4 to equal 23? Well, 5 times 4 equals 20. That's pretty close. If I go to 6 times 4 equals 24. That's too much. I can't use that one, but I can use 5. Okay, so 4 times what equals something close to 23? 4 times 5. So I'm going to put a 5 right there on top. Now, the next thing, because remember our steps are, does McDonald's sell cheeseburgers? Division, multiplication, subtraction, and then check. So we just divided 23 will fit into how many groups of 4? So if you wanted to draw this out, it would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. I'm sorry, 23. And then you'd circle groups of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Oh, I don't have another group of 4, but how many groups do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 groups. Now I have to multiply. So I multiply 4 times 5. Well, 4 times 5 equals 20. So I'm going to write 20 right here. My next step is to subtract. Okay, so 3 take away 0 is 3. 2 take away 0 is 0. Now, to check, I can do 4 times 5, which equals 20. And then do the opposite of addition, which is add, which would equal 23. So I'm right on target. Now I need to bring the 2 down. Okay, so now I need to figure out how many times, or what can I multiply 4 by to get something close to 32. So let's look on this side. What's close to 32? There's 32 right there. So I don't even have to think of what's close to it. So what can I multiply 4 by to equal 32? Well, 8 times 4 equals 32. So that would be 8. The way that you could draw that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. I must circle groups of 4 because I'm dividing it into groups of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. See how everybody fits into a group? And how many groups do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 is how many groups I have. Now I divided, so my next step is to multiply. 8 times 4, I can look over here on my t-chart, 8 times 4 equals 32. My next step is to subtract. And so 32 minus 32 is 0. So my answer would be 58. So I'd write 58. Bubble it in. 5, 8. So 0, so I wouldn't need to put a 0 there because that's correct the way it is.